And to think that a few of you thought that I wouldn't be wearing this shirt anymore. Oh, you wore a different shirt in the last video. That must mean that he's gonna stop wearing the same 2 shirts in all his videos. No. Consistency is key. Hello guys, Blabberhead200 here. And 1ByOne was kind enough to send me a keyboard, which I mentioned in my 5 ways to pimp your setup video. And right now, I'm in a bit of a lull of products, and I'm trying to get you guys hyped up for the Galaxy S6, One Touch Idol 3, PC rebuild, and many more videos coming your way. So, here's the 1ByOne wireless keyboard. So I'm going to start off with what I believe to be the most important part of any keyboard, and that is tactility. This is a chiclet style keys, and they're fairly clickable. It's a small keyboard, so it's not as easy as it might be with other keyboards to adjust to the size, but nonetheless, it's fairly large for something that's primarily meant to be paired with mobile devices. I had paired this with my PC for a bit, and it had worked fine, although I didn't like the trackpad working with my PC, because I prefer a much more precise mouse, and I found that I was just randomly touching it at times. Overall, it gives you a really satisfying click when you touch it, and I really liked using it, especially hitting the space key. The keyboard is surprisingly light, with all the internals seeming to be in this black bar on the back. That's extremely convenient for me, as I really respect that. It's extremely light, and I can throw it in any bag I want. This really makes up for the fact that it's a larger keyboard for mobile devices. And on the back, there's no batteries and no USB dongle included. The lack of a USB dongle was extremely frustrating to me, as I was hoping that I would be able to use this on some of my computers, although that just couldn't happen because my desktop didn't have Bluetooth until I went out and bought a USB dongle for myself. Nonetheless, it was an easy fix, and I overall got used to it pretty fast, but definitely keep that in mind if you want to use this with your PC. Last but not least, how is the trackpad? Well, you're not going to be using it for things like video editing or gaming, but it works fairly well. All the touches that I had were recognized, and I overall really enjoyed my time with this keyboard. It's light, it's easy, and I would overall recommend buying it, seeing as to how a lot of other larger manufacturers do these keyboard mouse hybrids, but they end up being $50 or $60, and this is only $12. So if you want a smaller keyboard that still does the same thing and just requires Bluetooth, this is really the way to go. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, drop me a comment down below why I didn't. This is Blabberhead200, and I got more videos coming your way. Oh, change your shirt? Yeah, I'm gonna change my shirt. Jeez, who do these guys think they are? Change your shirt. What is this?